One day, Jesus started chat with a man. Jesus said, "Hello, did you call me?" Man was surprised and said, "Called you? No. Who is this?" Jesus said, "This is Jesus. I heard your prayers, so I thought I'll chat." Man said, "I do pray, just makes me feel good. I'm actually busy now. I am in the midst of something." Jesus said, "What are you busy at?" "Ants are busy too." Man said, "Don't know, but I can't find free time. Life has become hectic. It's rush hours all the time." Jesus said, "Sure, activity gets you busy, but productivity gets you results. Activity consumes time, productivity frees it." Man said, "I understand, but I still can't figure out. By the way, I was not expecting you to buzz me on instant messaging chat." Jesus said, "Well, I wanted to resolve your fight for time by giving you some clarity. In this net era, I wanted to reach you through the medium you are comfortable with." Man asked, "Tell me, why has life become complicated now?" Jesus replied, "Stop analyzing life. Just live it. Analysis is what makes it complicated." Man asked, "Why are we then constantly unhappy?" Jesus replied, "Your today is the tomorrow that you worried about yesterday. You are worrying because you are analyzing. Worrying has become your habit. That is why you are not happy." Man said, "But how can we not worry when there is so much uncertainty?" Jesus replied, "Uncertainty is inevitable, but worrying is optional." Man said, "But then there is so much pain due to uncertainty." Jesus replied, "Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional." Man said, "If suffering is optional, why do good people always suffer?" Jesus gave him a beautiful reply that diamond cannot be polished without friction. Gold cannot be purified without fire. Good people go through trials but don't suffer. With their experience, their life becomes better, not bitter. Man said, "You mean to say such experience is useful?" Jesus said, "Yes. In every term, experience is a hard teacher. She gives the test first and the lesson afterwards." Man said, "But still, why should we go through such tests? Why can't we be free from problems?" Jesus replied, "Problems are purposeful roadblocks offering beneficial lessons to enhance mental strength. Inner strength comes from struggle and endurance, not when you are free from problems." Man said, "Frankly, in the midst of so many problems, we don't know where we are heading." Jesus replied, "If you look outside, you will not know where you are heading. Look inside. Looking outside, you dream. Looking inside, you awaken. Eyes provide sight, heart provides insight." Man said, "Sometimes not succeeding fast seems to hurt more than moving in the right direction. What should I do?" Jesus replied, "Success is a measure as decided by others. Satisfaction is a measure as decided by you. Knowing the road ahead is more satisfying than knowing you rode ahead. You work with the compass. Let others work with the clock." Man asked, "In tough times, how do you stay motivated?" Jesus replied, "Always look at how far you have come rather than how far you have to go. Always count your blessing, not what you are missing." Man asked, "What surprises you about people?" Jesus replied, "When they suffer, they ask, 'Why me?' When they prosper, they never ask, 'Why me?' Everyone wishes to have truth on their side, but few want to be on the side of the truth." Man said, "Sometimes I ask who I am. Why am I here? I can't get the answer." Jesus said, "Seek not to find who you are, but to determine who you want to be. Stop looking for a purpose as to why you are here. Create it. Life is not a process of discovery but a process of creation. Man said, "How can I get the best out of life?" Jesus replied, "Face your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. Prepare for the future without fear." Man asked one last question. "Sometimes I feel my prayers are not answered." Jesus told him, "There are no unanswered prayers. At times the answer is no." Man thanked him and said, "Thank you for this wonderful chat. I'm so happy to start the day with a new sense of inspiration." Jesus said, "Well, keep the faith and drop the fear. Don't believe your doubts and doubt your beliefs. Life is a mystery to solve, not a problem to resolve. Trust me, life is wonderful if you know how to live." Man said, "Thank you so much." Jesus said, "You are always welcome. Have a good day, my friend."